Don Bateman was born in 1932 in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. After witnessing an airplane crash as a child, Bateman began his fascination with aviation safety. In 1956, Bateman achieved his electrical and electronics engineering degree at the University of Saskatchewan. He then started his career with a telephone equipment company before taking on a job with Boeing, where he worked on the 707. After working with Boeing in Renton, Washington, Bateman joined electronics maker United Control, later becoming Honeywell. While working at Honeywell, Don worked to create over 40 United States patents and over 80 foreign patents involving aircraft terrain avoidance systems, heads-up displays, stall warning systems, and many more. His most notable patent came in 1976 when he created the Aircraft Landing Approach Ground Proximity Warning System, the GPWS, at the Sunstrand Corporation, which became Honeywell. In the late 1960s, there were numerous controlled flight into terrain accidents, CFIT, which resulted in hundreds of casualties over the years. Bateman sprung into action with his team at Honeywell to create a system that warns pilots prior to any such accident. The GPWS alerts pilots when their aircraft is flying dangerously low or close to any sort of hazardous terrain. This was a momentous invention for all aircraft, as it allowed pilots to fly in low visibility with confidence. The Federal Aviation Administration then made it mandatory for all large turbine aircraft to be equipped with the GPWS. In 1974, there were still occurrences of the GPWS running into blind spots, which then led to more CFIT accidents. Don Bateman then went on to create the Enhanced Ground Proximity Warning Systems, EGPWS, in the late 1990s. With the new software improvements, the Enhanced Warning System relies on ground positioning software, GPS technology, to accurately map the Earth's terrain relative to the position of the aircraft.
Caution, terrain. Caution, terrain.
Bateman continued to work on numerous warning systems with his time at Honeywell before retiring in 2016. These inventions won Don Bateman multiple awards, including being inducted into the National Inventors Hall of Fame. With Don Bateman's work on the EGPWS, he has saved countless lives, and it has continued to be utilized in aircraft across the world. Forever remembered as the father of terrain awareness warning systems, tonight we welcome Don Bateman into the National Aviation Hall of Fame.